Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial channel. I want to use this video today to show you how to generate the Rabit token. There are two ways to generate the Rabit token here. This one you see here that has a big start here. You click on it every 6 hours. When you click on it, you can close the app and it will run in the background to generate Rabit token for you. You can see this claim Rabit here. This claim Rabit here also, if you click on it, you see that you see claim it here. You will get 3 rabbits every 3 hours. So you log in here every 3 hours. You click on this claim 3 times for you to generate 3 rabbit token free of charge. We will click on it later. Let me show you another thing. You also see this start invite. This start invite here, if you invite anybody to the platform with your referral code, as you can see, my referral code here is Emmalex 215. You can click on this share, you get a link and a description or a write-up which you share to your friends. Whoever use the link or use your referral code to create an account, you will get 10 rabbits. You can see it here. Once your friends sign up with your referral code, you will instantly get 10 rabbits and your friend will also get 10 rabbits. So refer people to join the Rabit network and you earn 10 rabbit per each person you refer, and also use the claim rabbit here every 3 hours to claim rabbit. Now let us use this one now. Let us claim this one. First of all, click on claim it the first time. Allow it to load. As you can see, one rabbit is meaning two. I'll then click on claim again. Okay, let's close this ads. Click on claim again. Allow the ads to load. You can see this cycle here. Now you can click on this double arrow and you click on this X to close the ads, and the token have been generated. I'll click on claim it again.
AliExpress makes shopping online so fun and easy. Let's get pampered and beautiful. Shop now for up to 70% off on luscious lipsticks, eyeshadows, or liners. Stress releasing.
Wait a little bit and then close again. You can see down, it will unlock again in the next 3 hours. Okay, the next 2 hours, 30 minutes, not even 3 hours. Now when you go back, you see that our token was 229. Now it is 232 because of the 3 rabbit I just generated. Now I also click on this start here to generate enough rabbits in the next 6 hours. If I click on it, the program will run in the background the next 6 hours and enough tokens will be generated. So click on this start and click on this. You can click on no boost. This no boost will still work for you, but the rabbit will not be plenty that will be generated. But to get enough rabbit, click on this wash and watch this advert for watch this advert 3 times, so that in the next 6 hours you generate enough rabbits. Now you can close it. I've closed it. I will click on wash again.
Hello, can I interview you? I don't know what. People play fake games for only a few cents, so they miss bonus of Jackpot Master Pusher. From now, Jackpot Master Pusher will send out more new bonus. Can you tell us more about it? Download Jackpot Master Pusher. Everyone can get $100 at first. No withdrawal threshold. All bonus can be cashed out. You can try it now. Bonus is real. Of course. Jackpot Master Pusher is a real game. It doesn't like other fake games. All
You wait for
bonus
this
can be
advert
cashed out quickly.
to have
No
the
need to
close
watch
button.
many ads.
For that,
Can
the
you
close
tell
button
us
is
where
not
to
there. That's what I'm
download
waiting
Jackpot
for.
Master
Then once the
Pusher?
close button
Click the
appears,
link
I will
below
close
and
it.
you can download it. Get your bonus soon.
Okay, the close button is available now. You can see this double arrow here. When you click on it, wait for some seconds again. You will see this X has appeared. You click on it again to close. levy one time. I will now click wash again the last time. I will now close it here. Then I'll click on start now. Watch my balance. You see it has started counting now. You can see that the time is the next 6 hours and my token is already increasing. This is how it will run in the background for 6 hours. And that 6 hours, it will stop running. You must have generated enough tokens. Log in again and repeat the procedure like that every 6 hours to generate enough tokens. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, use the comment section to ask your question. If you want to create an account, check the video description. You will see a link you click to create an account, and you also see my invite code there to use and create an account. Thank you. Have a nice day. But if you create an account without any referral code, you won't be given any free token. So check the video description of this video. You will see a link on how you will see a link to click to create an account, and also you will see my invitation code that you use to create an account. When you create that account, you'll be given free token. So rush now and start generating Rabit Network Token for free. The token is legit, is very very real and it's not scam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when we post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. Have a nice day.